Secret number 5, who's currently serving your ideal client? Who's actually working with the type of client that you've decided to serve? And the reason I ask this question is because once you can identify who is actually serving them, I believe it's one of the quickest ways to put your educational material in front of the right types of people. So it could be physiotherapists, chiropractors. They are good audiences, good contacts for weight loss. Beauticians, stroke hairdressers would be good contacts. Business networking groups. I myself have set up my own business networking group along with another health professional in my local city of Salisbury. I'm not saying you have to go to that extent and do that, but that's me presenting at the Salisbury Health and Wellbeing Group. So I'm now speaking to my ideal audience of people who are already serving the type of people or person that I want to work with, and that's me out socializing with them as well. So this is a very, very quick way to gain access to the type of clients that you want to work with. So if you're not already doing this, start to make some connections with the people in your local community, either face to face if that permits at the moment, or indeed online. This will be one of the quickest ways that you can get access to the sort of clients that you want to be working with very, very quickly. So identify, make a wish list maybe of who those people are, and start making contact with them. It's going to make your life a lot easier in terms of, let's say, getting out your information as an educator.